Hello, everyone. What I'm going to do now is show an example of how you can translate even a book or a document with Google Translate. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so see here where there's text, which many people may use. This is just Paragraph AI that you can use as well. You can translate websites. If you go to documents there, browse your computer and okay, so let me find one that I can use here. Okay, so this is a recent document that I did, and then it'll take up to quite a bit actually. Quite a bit of I think you'll even go into the megabytes and then just click on translate and then download translation. Okay. And then I'm just gonna save this German. Okay. Okay. Just using German as an example. Okay, open it up. Okay, open it up in Word. Okay. Actually, it translated into French. It was in French, which is a language I already know, but um yeah, translated into French. But it does show you at least, oh, I'm not sharing that screen. Hold on, let me share that screen. Okay. See which one it is here. Show all win. Yeah, there it is. Okay. All right. Yes, so it translated into French, but it does show you how it will translate the document. So, and let's see why it had translated into French there when I meant it to translate into German. Okay. Oh, it was selected on French. Okay. I meant to select it on, I clicked the wrong thing. I meant to select it on German. Okay. So I'll show you how to translate into German. Just one click there, download. It'll definitely take, so this, I'm just going to rename there. Um, this, just going to rename there as French, because that's French, not German. Oh, because it's open. Okay, give me just a second. I'll close it out. Okay. Okay. And this is French. Okay. And then go to downloads. Okay. And go here, update the downloads. It's French. Where did the oh, I hadn't saved it yet. Okay, so it's saved now. Okay. Okay, open that up. Okay, and German is still a language that I'm working on learning. Okay, it is. Okay, it opened up. Yes, this is German. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to stop the share and share that screen. Okay. Okay, so now you can see there, this is in German. Okay, so that's how easy it can be to translate even a book into a language that you want. And if you find that the uh the uploading of your book is very long and the uploading takes a lot of time, it's not translating the entire document, and you can always do it in parts and then stitch it together, so to speak. Okay. All right. So I hope everybody found that helpful. And I'll think of some more tutorials to do. I actually was motivated to do this tutorial for a student of mine that wants to translate a really good book of his called The Day My Teacher Went Crazy. And it's a really good book. So if you remember that very catchy title, check it out on Amazon. You'll love it.